What do you want out of an online business tool? Everything. You want it to help you connect, to collaborate, to communicate, to imagine, to dream, and to succeed. Introducing FLP360. FLP360 is the new online suite that has everything you need to manage and grow your business, including an extensive personal back office with calendars, reports, contacts, reminders, email, and more. A robust customer relationship management system, and a platform for you to build and host your own websites. All built on the Salesforce.com and Google platforms, giving you rock-solid performance and access to your tools and business-building information wherever and whenever you need it, allowing you to see the big picture and drill down into the details. Want the full view of your business? The new downline map allows you to visualize and explore exactly what's happening with everyone in your entire downline across the world. With all of this information at your fingertips, you can manage your prospects, contacts, and customers like never before, helping you make sure nothing ever falls through the cracks. With your new FLP.com websites, not only can you present an incredibly professional face to the online world, but you'll be able to collect leads that will go directly into your FLP360 portal. Features of FLP360 allow you to connect and dream with your team in easy and creative ways. What is your why? Dreambook helps you dream big, allowing you to utilize Pinterest right from your dashboard. Chatter gives you a social media experience with your Forever network, allowing you to communicate with your upline, downline, or any other group. Plan meetings, ask advice, share ideas. It's social collaboration for your business. You can also harness the power of Google Hangouts for instant messaging, video chat, and screen sharing with people around the world. And you'll even have 30 gigs of storage so you can keep all your stuff in one place. So, if you want to know how many new supervisors you have in France, set the location of this week's team meeting, check in face-to-face with Matteo in Argentina, see your global top non-manager CC volume so you can put those legs to work, send Joan an email with your new @flp.com email address. In short, be connected with all of your data, colleagues, customers, and leads all in one place. You now have the full 360-degree view. Everything. FLP360. Ignite your biz today.